Do you remember when I spoke that word to you? You were nothing and you had nothing. Look around, preacher. You are the biggest UPC church in this valley. You have more people than any other UPC church in this valley. I took care of them for you. I prepared them for you. You are the district, not a sectional, but a district Sheets for Christ coordinator. Need I remind you, preacher, that you just were accepted in February and it's merely May. I have orchestrated this thing. I have given you the vision. I have given you the promise. I have declared it unto the people. And now I am preparing to bring it to pass. Stand up, preacher. Turn around and look. The fields are white, all ready to harvest. I know the laborers are few, but you just need to pray that I'll send you some more laborers. Can I tell somebody they're coming?